Hi guys, it's the Queen. It's my Talk to Me Tuesday for August 28th, 2018. I finally remembered the date because by the time you guys see this video, we will be on our way to Iowa City. So Jackson can have his cardiologist appointment, and hopefully we'll be getting information about when he gets scheduled for his procedure in Philadelphia and how everything is going with that process. As soon as I know any information, I'll share it with everyone. The party was great. I'm still exhausted. I did spend most of yesterday doing nothing. I take that back. I did go out to Jackson's with him and his mom and cataloged all the gifts that he received because the party kind of got a little bit rushed toward the end. We were just going to open gifts at home and just send out thank yous. But there were some people that were insisting that we open presents right then. So we did it, and then that rushed us. And I was trying to clean up. Other people were helping me clean up. Some people were watching them do gifts, and I was trying to help get that part done. So it kind of got a little jumbled of who gave what. And we had to go back out and get it all sorted because I remember seeing who came in and what bag they were carrying. So my memory plus what was there got meshed together. So we got it all straightened out. Anyway, I will put a link in the description because that's easier. If I try to put pictures up, it's going to run a lot longer, and I don't want a long video this time because last week was way too long. I worked on a few sewing projects that were still party related. Hemming my mom's pants for her costume for the party. She was a nurse, and her scrubs were really cute. I'll put a picture up over here. But she's a tiny little lady. She's getting shorter by the day. She's going to get me when she sees this. But she used to be 4'11". I think now she's 4'9" and 3/4. Anyhow, I took her a pair of pants that she already had, and I measured them and hemmed up the scrub pants that I found at the Goodwill for like $2. And they look so cute on her. I bet you she wears it for church functions because a lot of times she helps out in the kitchen. So she'll probably start wearing that as her cooking uniform. Last week, at the last minute, I made a scrub cap for myself. I measured one of the hats that I have, like a train conductor hat, and added a little bit extra, and then just did the band around it. And it turned out fine, and you'll see in the pictures it worked because I had my hair twisted. Oh, and I also made the bias binding. But it's just still a little too big. I could probably have not added that extra fabric, but I wanted it to make sure it wasn't too tight, so it's definitely not too tight. But it was cool. It looked like I had just came from surgery or was about to go to surgery with my scrub cap on. Speaking of surgery, I had taken some men's shirts, and I didn't want to destroy them because these are some really nice shirts. And I just took the collar and folded it down inside and then stitched that same binding along so that when the kids put it on, it looked like they had a surgical scrubs. And I'm not going to tie it all up because I'm going to take it right back off. But it did serve, it served the purpose, and it gave the look that I was hoping for. It was just some props for pictures or just if they wanted to dress up. And they did enjoy doing that. So that's as much sewing as I did last week, as it was all party related. I have one project that I'm going to work on, something for the kitchen that I had been putting off for a while. I've had the fabric probably for a year, and I found the pattern and the tutorial on YouTube. Got everything together. I have the foam and all that, and this is the fabric that I have. Well, let's see. That's a little upside down. Sorry about that. And I'm going to make a cover for my KitchenAid mixer because my son does a lot more cooking on top of the stove than I do. I do a lot of baking and he fries things and ends up splattering. And I noticed when I made cookies for the party, which I'll put a picture up of the cookies, that my steel bowl had a little bit of oil build up on it. I was like, oh no, I can't have that because I want it to be clean and ready when I need to use it. I don't like to have to clean it before I use it, so I need to get this cover made once and for all. So I'm going to work on that this week and then start back on my Jackson bags because people have been waiting patiently for me to get done with the party so that I could concentrate on making the best quality bags for them. My daughter came in from Texas. It was a really short and sweet visit. She came in on Friday night, which turned into Saturday morning because her flight was delayed. Instead of her arriving here at 8:30, she didn't get here until 12, almost 12:30 in the morning. So that put us behind on some of our last minute preps for the food because I had saved some stuff for her to do because she wanted to help out. And then we spent a lot of time rushing and trying to catch up on. Thank goodness I didn't share all my details with everyone because no one really knew what didn't happen and what did happen. If I threw something in that was last minute. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say today. I'm really still just trying to de-stress from all of that and mentally prep for this appointment and just deal with good old things that life keeps throwing at us. Anyhow, guys, hug the ones you love. Stay crafty and creative. Have a great day, guys.